Welcome students. In this video we are going to see few more problems from exercise 2.4. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of the trouser material he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,000. How much trouser material did he buy? Quite lengthy question or lengthy problem. Once again, we will read the problem to understand each and every part of the question. Is it okay? So now Hassan is buying two kinds of cloth material, very sure. One is shirt material and another one is trouser material. Rate of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and rate of trouser material is 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of shirt material. Now that means length of the material is given. So if I write T for trouser material and S for shirt material, he is buying suppose 2 meters of trouser material, then he will purchase 3 meters of shirt material. So if he is buying, if I multiply it by 2, so I have to multiply here also by 2. That is 2 is he will buy 4 meter of trouser material, then he has to buy 6 meter of shirt material. If it is 2 into 5, then he will buy 10 material of trouser material. At the same time, he will buy how much? 15 meter of shirt material, isn't it? That means, how do you conclude or how do you interpret this particular statement? Is it not something like ratio? That is, for every 2 meters of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material, or in simply way, he is buying the material in which ratio? 2:3. That is trouser material to shirt material. Now, as soon as it comes ratio, what do we assume first? Now we don't know what is the X multiplier because we don't know length of trouser material nor even length of shirt material. So we need to assume first the multiplier to get length of material. So let X be the multiplier. Is it okay? If X is the multiplier, then for every 2x meter trouser material, he will buy 3x meter shirt material. Is it satisfying this particular statement that for every 2 meter of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material? Is it given? This particular statement is just another way to represent ratio. Is it okay? So you can underline that particular statement and you can remember this in your mind that instead of giving simply the ratio, you can express it in these kind of words or this kind of statement. Is it clear, children? So underline this statement, and from this statement you come to the conclusion that the ratio of length of trouser material to shirt material is 2:3. Immediately we define or we suppose the variable to be multiplier. Coming to the next part of the question, he is now selling the material at 12% profit and 10% profit respectively. Again the word respectively. That means shirt material he is selling with 12% profit and trouser material he is selling with 10% profit. His total sale means after selling shirt material and trouser material. Is it okay? His total sale is coming 36,000. So how much trouser material did he buy? That we need to find out. That means we have to find out length of trouser material. So now what should we assume here, children? So we focus on which statement? For every 2 meters of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. And hence we start with let X be the common multiplier. Now there are so many things we have to do. So instead of writing lengthy statements, we can have new approach. So now what we write? We write shirt material and trouser material. We make columns. Is it okay? Now what is rate of shirt material? So it is rupees 50 per meter. What is rate of trouser material? It is 90 per meter. We are just putting in table format so that you can understand properly. Now what is length of the material? So shirt material it is 3x and trouser material it is 2x. Because trouser material to 3 shirt material, the ratio is 2:3. That means shirt material is more. Are you getting? And we have taken x to be multiplier, so it will be 3x and 2x. Now can you find out the cost price of shirt material? Means if he is purchasing 2 meters of shirt material, so he will pay 100 rupees. So if he is purchasing 3x meter of shirt material, so how much amount he would have paid? What is the cost price? So cost price will be 50 into 3x. What is 50? 50 is rate per meter. So 50 into 3x, that is 150x. Similarly, what will be for trouser material? So it will be 90 into 2x, that is 180x. Are you getting? So what is this 150x and 180x? These are cost price. Means Hassan has purchased these material, shirt material and trouser material with rupees 150x and 180x. We don't know the actual amount as we don't know the value of x. Is it clear? Now this particular material, these materials are, he's selling those materials, isn't it? So these materials are sold. So now percentage profit is given. So how much percent profit for shirt material, children? It is 12%. And how much it is for trouser? It is 10%. Now let us find out actual profit. So actual profit will be, do you remember the formula, children? Do you remember the formula? It is 12 upon 100 into CP. What is CP? That is cost price. So it is 12 upon 100. Why 12 upon 100? Because it is percentage, 12%. So 12 upon 100 into cost price. That will be the formula for calculating actual profit. So profit will be 12 upon 100 into 150x. Now you do the calculation. You can do easily the calculation. 0, 0 will cancel here. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are, so 6 3s are 18x. That is important. So what is profit, children? It is 18x. Are you getting how did I just explain once again? If you are not understanding, a little zoom it out and then I'll explain once again. So 0 0 is cancelled. Now it is 10 and 15. So we can have cancellation. 5 3s are, 5 2s are. And then 2 1s are 2, 6 are. So now 6 3s are 18x. 6 into 3 into x, that is 18x. So what is 18x? It is profit. It is profit. Is it okay? Similarly, can we calculate how much profit will be there with trouser material? So it is 10 upon 100 because it is 10%. So 10 upon 100 into 180x, that is again the cancellation you can see. You can go with the cancellation here. 0, 0. Now 10, 10 will cancel and it will be 18x. Isn't it? So here what is the profit now, children? 18x. Are you getting? Now we are in the question they have given the sale amount. So let us find out the selling price. So now selling price of shirt material will be cost price plus profit, that is 150x plus 18x, that is 160x. And what is the selling price of trouser material? It will be 180 plus profit, that is 180x plus 18x. So it will be 190x. What is 160x and 190x? These are the amount obtained after selling 3x shirt material and 3x meter shirt material and 2x meter trouser material. Are you getting? Now we are coming to the equation. Now the condition is Hassan is getting 36,600 after selling both those materials. Which materials? Shirt material and trouser material. But according to us, how much amount he has obtained by selling shirt material? That is 168x. And how much amount he obtained by selling trouser material? It is 190x. So now Can we get the equation now? So the equation will be now 160x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. So sometimes to get the equation, we have to do lot of work, lot of calculations. Now for writing, you can use the statement form or you can put it in the tabular form. Whichever way is easy for you, you can use it. But now the equation we have obtained, and that is 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. Now 160x plus 198x will be 366x is equal to 36,600. So dividing both sides by 366, so we get x is equal to x is equal to 100. It is very easy calculation, you can see. Now what is x? Is it trouser material length of trouser material? Is it length of shirt material? No, x is multiplier. X is multiplier. So how much trouser material he must have purchased? Recall, it is 2x. It is 2x. So 2x value you have obtained to be 100. So therefore 2x will be 200. And hence Hassan bought 200 meter of trouser material. Now we are not finding shirt material because it is not asked, but it is very sure he must have purchased 300 meters of shirt material. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood this question very well. You can write in the given format. Don't just use the colored pencils, but write down in tabular form and get the answer and try to understand the problem thoroughly. Is it clear? Let us go to the next problem. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. What do we need to find out? Number of deer in the herd. Now, again, lot of first work to be done before getting the equation. So, we are talking about herd of deer. Few of them are playing, few of them are grazing, few of them are drinking water. Is it clear? And we have to find how many actual deer are there in the herd. So let us do, suppose we don't know the number, so we take that number to be x. Is it okay? Now half of the deer means it will be x by 2. What are they doing? They are doing grazing. What are they doing? They are doing grazing. Now how many are remaining, children? Can you tell me? X by 2 are remaining. X by 2 are grazing, so remaining are x by 2. Now out of these remaining, see, this is important. Out of remaining means out of x by 2 deer, how many are playing nearby? So they are 3/4 of remaining, that is x by 2. So these many, they are playing nearby. Is it clear? And then the remaining, whichever are remaining, they are drinking water. Is it okay? So now is it clear to you? So there are deer who are, some are doing grazing. So I am writing G for grazing, I am writing P for playing, I am writing D for drinking. And now I am putting the values. So grazing, how many are there? X by 2. And here they are 3/4 of x by 2. And remaining they are 9. But together, what will be the sum of these three numbers? Those will be x, that is total number of deer. Are you getting? So this will be our equation. X by 2 plus 3 by 4 of x by 2 plus 9 is equal to x. Did you understand? So let us go for now statement form. So first we assume, let x be the number of deer in a herd. The number of deer grazing will be x by 2. Is it okay? Can you see x by 2? Now number of deer playing, those will be 3 by 4 into x by 2. Why 3 by 4? Because 3/4 of remaining, that is 3/4 of x by 2. So it will be 3 by 4 into x by 2. Is it clear? So these many are grazing and these many are playing. Now how many are remaining? So let us go for remaining. Remaining are 9. So remaining deer is equal to 9. Now according to condition, x by 2 plus 3 by 4 into x by 2 plus 9 is equal to x. Is it okay? Did you understand? So now x by 2 plus the middle product will be 3x by 8. I don't think I need to explain this. So x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. Take the LCM. So it will be 8. So we convert all the fractions with denominator 8. So now you will get 4x upon 8 plus 3x upon 8 plus 72 upon 8 is equal to x. So denominators are same, so we can add numerators. Now 4x plus 3x plus 72 upon 8 is equal to x. So 7x plus 72 upon 8 is equal to x. You can shift 8 on right hand side. So it will be 7x plus 72 is equal to 8x. Now 7x can be shifted on that side. So 72 is equal to 8x minus 7x. So we get 72 is equal to x, or x is equal to 72. What is x? X is number of deer in a herd. So we write there are 72 deer in a herd. I hope you have understood these two questions. So watch the video again and again to understand and write down the proper solution in your classwork. Thank you, children.